My friends, Samsung Galaxy, the new ones are out, and I'm here to tell you
What the just happened?
And my friends, if like me, you've watched the videos online and you've seen some guy taking pictures of a mannequin head with makeup on, all that kind of stuff, and you watched the event and there was a hosted video, people saying,
editing videos on Galaxy will be easier than ever.
And there's a comparison with the S9 camera and S10 camera, and S10 camera is super stable and all that kind of stuff. And then you go into the specifications of the site and you find out, guess what? Stabilization only works on HD. 4K, what the exactly? I'm thinking it is a big confusion. Well, I'm here to tell you the facts that I know so far. So there's about 5 different phones that's been released. There's a foldable one, which is impressive, but we don't know how bulky, heavy, all that stuff will be.
Hey Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure, I can easily pull up Google Maps.
Yeah, there's Samsung Galaxy S10e, which is like the iPhone XR, and then there's Samsung Galaxy S10, and there's Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and then there's Samsung Galaxy S10 5G.
And it looks like you got a lot of color on that table over there, Josh.
Yeah, all 3 of these models come in a range of beautiful colors.
The good thing about the S10, the good ones, not the S10e, is that they now have a fingerprint reader. Hallelujah! I can now unlock the phone while driving.
Simply press your finger against the screen where it naturally rests. The scanner then emits ultrasonic waves that map the unique pattern of your fingerprint.
The bad points is, there's still a Bixby button. What the hell? The whole event didn't feature a single mention about Bixby, yet they have a Bixby button and they force you on it. Thanks to One UI, you can no longer disable Bixby. Thank you, Samsung, I love you. Please remove that crap. Now, the cameras, they have improved. They got like 6 cameras in a foldable phone. You got 5 cameras, and there's a lot of cameras to play around with. And they all feature live focus photography, so you can edit the background blur in the photos. And if you watch all the sponsored videos, you know, where they take a picture of the mannequin head and you can see that it's smooth and blurry, and you don't know if Samsung forced them to use the mannequin head or Tinder isn't compatible on the phones. Bro, go outside, hire a model. You got enough subs. Thank you. Now there's one thing that is a bit confusing. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, it features something called 4K recording with adjustable background blur.
For example, you can add things like background blur to your videos in real time.
So you can actually blur out the background of the videos and make the videos look awesome. However, as far as I can tell from the press announcement, it only works in a 5G edition because that's super special. And the 5G edition you can't actually buy. You need to get that on contract. So even if you spend $2,000 on a brand new S10 Plus, you don't have the best features. And that is confusing. So I don't know what to do. Please tell me what to do. Secondly, so if you select the normal black version, you only get 128 gigabytes storage, which, I'll be honest with you, isn't enough for someone like me. However, the next upgrade is ceramic black, and I don't know how much fingerprint of a magnet ceramic will be, but I guess you're gonna have to get a case. That one gives you 512, so there's no 256 option anymore. Take my money, Samsung, take it, throw it away. And finally, regarding the quality of the camera, I'm excited. They have a front-facing camera, which is 4K. They have ultra-wide. They have portrait lenses. They have all this kind of good stuff. However, the video improvement, I'm not quite sure. They showed a comparison between the S9 and the S10, and they look pretty much exactly the same, except there was a difference, is that the S10 is slightly more stable.
Do you see how smooth that video shot on the S10 is?
However, if you go on the website and check out the star, I'll show you the star. Look, check it out, camera. It says only available when shooting in the ultra-wide camera in full HD. What is the point of having 4K if you can't use it? My friends, this is, stop lying to me. Remove Bixby and make 4K, and I don't even know if it's gonna be unlimited recording. And one more thing, before I go, I'll tell you one more thing. One of the best things about this phone is that it doesn't have a notch, but hallelujah, it has a circle, and the circle looks cool, except if you wanna watch videos in full screen, that's the screen you're gonna be seeing, circular. It's amazing. All right, and one of the best features, which they didn't announce in the press event, is that in certain countries, especially Australia now, you can now get Samsung Care Plus, which means you can damage your phone twice and get replacements at a cost about $100 to $200. And that's great because I'm always cracking my phone. As you can see, I don't have the most stable hands. Whoa! Don't worry, I caught that one, but it's all good. All right. Are you excited? I'm pumped. I'm gonna be pre-ordering one of these phones and giving you the actual truth, the best review you can get. I'm gonna be going deeper than I've ever been before. But for now, go enjoy the sponsored videos. Wow, it's a camera. Look, it takes pictures. Whoa, you see that? It took a picture. It makes phone calls. Samsung Galaxy S10 is amazing. It makes a phone call. Oh, wow, Bixby. Bixby's still there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Samsung, by the way, if you want to sponsor me, I can do this shit for real. Whoa, it takes a picture now. Have you seen the quality of the picture? Have you seen that mannequin head? It's so smooth. So smooth. I can really tell the quality from that smooth as fuck mannequin hair. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for wasting my time, bro.